as if we want it to be alright. Temperature rising, I feel the fire. Tonight it's just me and you.
Tell me, baby, will you be there when I wake up? Even with no makeup, I don't wanna fake it.
You don't gotta doubt a second if I miss you. Every time I'm with you, I'm feeling naked. I feel naked. I want it, so let me get it. You say you got it, so are you ready? If I told you, girl, come and run away with me, now would you show it all away for me? I used to know that, over. You were the boy that you couldn't stay away from me,
But you're nothing but a fantasy. I need to know that I'm strong enough to believe in that.
Just I don't know what they say, it's alright, right. We can dance if you want, make it feel alright. Temptation's rising, I feel the fire. Tonight is just me and you.
Tell me, baby, will you be there when I wake up? Even with no makeup, I don't wanna fake it.
And you don't gotta doubt a second if I miss you. Every time I'm with you, I feel naked. I feel naked. I feel naked. I want it, so let me get it. There you got it. I feel naked. I feel naked. I feel naked. I want it, so let me get it. Tonight it's just me and you.
See, Rian Ramos, TJ Trinidad, and Aldor Albrenica.
Hi, Timmy!
Hello! Ano, eto na, TJ, Rian. Anong feeling na yung pinaghirapan yung movie, The Road, will now be showing in the US? 50 theaters, diba? 50 cinemas, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 100. 100, diba pala? 100 cinemas all over the US. How does it feel?
Actually, my word for today is overwhelming. Kasi talagang it's overwhelming the feeling na you're part of history. Diba, TJ? Parang, kasi this is the first Filipino film nga na it's going to be shown mainstream. Usually kasi pag nagpapakita ng mga Filipino film sa States, it's indie eh. Ito, parang sa level niya lang yung mga Hollywood films. So overwhelming talaga yung feeling. At saka, parang ang swerte-swerte ko lang na nakasama ako dito. Hi!
Siyempre, we have to give credit to Direk Yam and GMA Films for taking a chance on a film like this kasi hindi siya yung typical film na ginagawa. And it's not just a horror story, it's a suspense thriller with international quality, really. It's really the standard which is raised by Direk Yam and GMA Films. So, it's such an honor to be part of it.
Ayan, kaya sa mga nanonood natin sa Pinoy TV all over the world, especially sa US, May 11 ang showing yan, di ba?
Yes, panoorin niyo po kami sa May 11.
Yes, mga kapuso sa United States and Canada, mapapanood nyo na rin to.
Thank you so much, Rian and DJ, and of course, kasama natin si Aldra Albrenica, na makakasama naman ni Rian sa pinakabagong abangang pelikula mula sa GMA Films, My Contrabida Girl.
Yes! Exciting.
Ano naman ang dapat nating abangan sa My Contrabida Girl? Parang pinigil ko yung dalawa, ha?
Hindi, kasi sa My Contrabida Girl, kakaiba talaga. Sobrang out of the box yung concept niya. Hindi siya yung usual na romance comedy. And dito, ako first time ko makaplay ng ganitong klaseng character. Salbahe ako. Salbahe talaga yung character ko dito. Pero one day, mawawala kasi sa kanya yung pagkasalbahe niya. So, hahanapin niya. Kailangan niya yun eh. Pero instead, ang mahanap niya, love.
Yes. Speaking of hahanapin na yan, ako yung hinahanap niya kasi ako yung nakapagbigay sa kanya ng sakit na loob, yung feederless niya sa buong mundo. So, doon tatakbo yung storya pag pumunta siya at bumalik sa lugar kung saan siya lumaki.
Anong feeling, Aljo, Rian, yung sa inyong pagbabalik sambalan?
Well,
Basta yeah, first movie namin together. First movie namin together. At saka parang feeling ko we've grown together.
Oo. And happy ako at si Rian nakabalik na and masaya ako na nakatrabaho kita ulit.
There you have it, guys. But dapat ating abangan, of course, ang ating My Contabida Girls at syempre pa para sa mga kapuso natin all over the US ang The Road. Coming up, ang susunod na, ito na, ang cheesy moment na pinakaabangan natin with the Quezon Boys, the Teddy Bear edition. Up next.